Hello, and today I'll be showing you how to navigate the New York State Historic Newspaper Database, which has papers ranging from the years 1725 to 2016. So first you'll want to go to NYShistoricnewspapers.org. Here you'll see that we already have a map of New York broken down by county. So this is the first way to search, which is by area. So we'll scroll down and we'll click New York County. So here you can see there is a list of the New York County-based newspapers. There's about 3 pages worth. If you click on any of these newspapers, they'll bring you to a page giving you the catalog record of that newspaper. So let's go with the Evening Post. So here at the catalog record, it'll give you things like the names of the newspaper, the place of publication, dates of publication, subject headings, as well as preceding and preceding titles and other related newspapers. So from here, we can browse issues. We can either do a calendar view, which would allow us to select the specific issues on any given day, or we can click Show All Front Pages. So this will allow us to see the front page of every single issue. The front page feature is really more useful with more modern newspapers that have those big central headlines, but it's still cool to look at. So the second way we can search is by going up to the top, clicking Search. So these are the default settings. And again, you can select any county, any paper. But we'll just start without it. We'll just search for fire. As you can see, we got way too many results because our search was way too broad. So we'll try again. So this time we'll try searching specifically for the Triangle Shirtwaist Fire. Since we know it happened in 1911, we can enter the start and end dates. Now we hit go. And you can see we only have one result this time. So once you find a paper that you would like to click, you would like to search, we can click it, scroll down, and see these red boxes are where our search terms have been found. So if you double click, you can zoom and then click and drag to reposition the paper. So you can see they talked about the fearful loss of life in the recent fire in the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. So this is a good, helpful article that will help us with our search. So although we only found one, so we can try to search again, and this time we'll just try Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. So now we have another result. You can see if you edit the years, you'll get even more. These results might not be about the fire specifically, but they can still be helpful for turning up articles about the factory and about things that may have caused the fire, or etc., etc. So the site isn't perfect, but it's best practice to execute as many different searches as possible for the optimal results. You see how they change just by editing one word. But so that's how you use the New York State Historic Newspapers database. Thank you for watching.